In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean and shine your kitchen sink in 5 simple steps. Number 1, thoroughly scrub the kitchen sink using a mild cleaning product and a non-scratch pad, as you can see in this video. Number 2, thoroughly rinse the sink, making sure to remove all traces of the cleaning solution. Number 3, dry the sink with a clean dry cloth or paper towel, including around the drain and faucet. Number 4, apply a small amount of your chosen polishing product to the sink using a soft cloth or sponge. Be sure to cover the entire surface and double check to see if you miss any areas. Number 5, once that is done, buff the sink with a clean dry cloth to remove any streaks or residue and make it shine. If you found today's tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who could use these cleaning tips.